Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to edit your name in TikTok. Your name is an essential part of your TikTok identity, and if you want to make any changes, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer of the screen. It's usually represented by a silhouette of a person. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Step 4. In the Edit Profile section, find the Name option. Tap on it to access your name settings. Step 5. Edit your name by typing or modifying the text. You can choose to use your real name, a creative username, or any name that represents you on TikTok. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply tap on the Save button to update your name. By following these steps, you can easily edit your name in TikTok and ensure that your profile reflects your desired identity. Remember, your name is how others will recognize you on TikTok, so choose something that resonates with you and aligns with your personal brand. Thank you for watching, and happy name editing.